There's a place on Earth where the temperature stays just above freezing, where sunlight has never touched, and where the pressure hundreds of times greater than at the surface crushes everything in its path. A place where, if you were to visit, you'd experience the crushing force of 100 jumbo jets piled on top of you. It's called the Abyssal Zone, and it makes up the deepest 70% of the ocean. It's even deeper than the Titanic, 13,000 feet underwater. So how does life survive here, let alone thrive? After all, the sun's life-giving rays can't penetrate past 2,000 feet into the water column. And the pressure at the bottom of the abyss zone reaches 600 times that at the surface, enough to pulverize you like a cookie under a rolling pin. It may sound like a bizarre science fiction world, but it's reality in our oceans. A realm where evolution has produced some of the most bizarre creatures on the planet. But it's not just crazy creatures that exist in this extreme environment. There are over 1 million known deep-sea species, each more remarkable than the last. You won't believe what they can do. It's time to explore one of the least explored regions on Earth, the deep sea, where life takes on its most extreme and fascinating forms. Life in the deep sea is an enigma. How can anything, let alone diverse ecosystems of animals, plants, and microbes, survive in the perpetual darkness and crushing pressures of the abyss? As we descend into this mysterious realm, we encounter a world that seems almost alien. Jellyfish drift past with glowing lights. Bioluminescent plankton illuminate the inky blackness, and strange angular fish with enormous eyes peer out at us from the gloom. With every 10 meters we descend, the pressure increases by 1 atmosphere. At 4,000 meters, you're facing 400 times the pressure of the surface. And yet life not only endures, but flourishes here. Sunlight can't penetrate these depths, so photosynthesis is impossible. Yet abundant life forms somehow survive. The key to understanding life in the deep sea lies in the concept of pressure. The weight of the overlying water creates immense pressure that increases dramatically with depth. At the surface, the pressure is about 1 atmosphere, equal to the weight of the air pressing down on us. But as you descend, the weight of the water above you increases exponentially. By the time you reach the abyssal zone, roughly 2,000 to 6,000 meters below sea level, the pressure can be more than 600 times that at the surface. For most creatures, including ourselves, this pressure would be instantly fatal. Our bodies aren't built to withstand such forces. Our cells would rupture, our organs would implode. But the deep sea dwellers have evolved remarkable adaptations to not only survive, but thrive in this high-pressure environment. One of the most fascinating aspects of the deep sea is the bizarre appearance of many of its inhabitants. Take, for example, the blobfish, which can be found in the lower depths of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. With its gelatinous, translucent flesh and protruding eyes, the blobfish looks like something straight out of a horror movie. But this unusual appearance is actually an adaptation to the extreme environment it inhabits. Its lack of muscle and fat allows the blobfish to maintain buoyancy in the high-pressure environment, while its large eyes help it detect the faintest glimmer of light in the perpetual darkness. Another remarkable adaptation of deep-sea creatures is their ability to produce their own light through a process known as bioluminescence. In the absence of sunlight, bioluminescence becomes an essential tool for survival, allowing creatures like the anglerfish to lure prey or communicate with potential mates. The ability of deep-sea creatures to generate their own light is not only a testament to the power of evolution, but also a reminder of the beauty that can be found in the darkest depths of our oceans. But the adaptations of deep-sea creatures don't stop there. Some have developed incredible senses to navigate and hunt in the dark, while others have devised unique strategies to conserve energy in the absence of sunlight. From the anglerfish to the blobfish and beyond, the creatures of the deep sea are a constant source of wonder and inspiration. Each species is a marvel of natural engineering, perfectly adapted to survive in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. As we continue to explore the deep sea, we're sure to uncover even more amazing adaptations that defy our understanding and challenge our notions of what life can be like. Now get ready to dive even deeper into the mysteries of the deep sea. Discover the bizarre and fascinating adaptations that allow life to flourish in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Click the video on screen now.